proceed to our topic, let me introduce myself first. I'm Almira Mapa. Here's our topic, Polya's method. Polya's method is a four-step problem-solving technique developed by mathematician George Polya. Polya's four-step process for problem-solving is number 1, understanding the problem. Look for information given, visualize the information, organize the information, connect the information. This helps clarify the problem and ensure you have grasped the main idea. Number 2 is devising a plan. Make a presentation, draw a diagram, make a systematic list, use equation, make a calculated guess and check, look for a pattern, make suppositions, go through the process, act it out, walk backwards, revise the problem, recitate the problem, simplify the problem, solve part of the problem. And number 3 is carry out the plan. Using mathematical knowledge or use mathematical skills and logical thinking skills. Look back. The number 4 is look back and reflect. Need to check our solution, improve and seek alternative solution of necessary.
Hi everyone! Ang ating topic ay paano nga makukuha ang value ng square. Pero bago tayo magtungo sa ating topic, nais ko muna ipakilala ang aking sarili. Ako si Lord Harry Cubio mula sa BSED Math 1-1. Ngayon, paano nga makukuha ang value ng square? Para madali natin makuha ang value ng square, kailangan muna nating i-translate ang mga shapes to variables. For example, circle to C, triangle to T, and square to S. Of ng ating box ay nakalagay doon ang square plus circle, triangle plus triangle, triangle plus circle. At nakalagay doon sa circle ay is equivalent to 2. At yung triangle ay equivalent to 3. Kaya una, para makuha natin ang value ng square, ay kailangan muna natin i-add ang triangle. Triangle plus triangle is equal to 6. Yung 6, i-divide natin siya sa 2. Kasi dalawa yung triangle. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Kaya nakuha yung value ng triangle. At ayun, nakuha na natin ang value ng triangle. Isunod naman natin ay paano naman nakuha ang value ng circle. Kaya i-add muna natin ang triangle plus circle is equal to 5. Or 3 minus 5 is equal to 2. Kaya yung 2, yun ang naging equivalent ng circle. Kaya nakuha na yung value ng circle. Ayan, nakuha na natin ang value ng circle at triangle. Ngayon, paano naman natin makukuha ang value ng square? Para makuha natin ang value ng square, ay kailangan lang natin i-minus yung 10 sa 2. O yung 2 is equal to circle. And then yung 10, yun yung equal ng square plus circle. Kaya i-minus lang natin yung 10 sa 2. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. And then yung equal na 8, yun yung value ng square. Kaya nakuha natin yung kaya na natin nakuha yung value ng square. At yung value ng square ay 8.